Great morning, students. Today we will learn another method of communication in our third part of this chapter video. In this video, topics are: first, what is visual communication? Next is example of visual communication. Points consider while preparing a presentation. Now, what is visual communication? Conveys of ideas and information in form that can be seen through eyes, known as visual communication. In this communication, we just see a picture and draw information in our mind by seeing that picture. Visual communication arose before invention of writing. That's why in this communication we don't need any word by oral or by written. People drew images and painting to express their thought. In this communication we just draw pictures and images to express our information, to express thoughts, to express ideas, and so on. These paintings are more than 40,000 years old. When visual communication arose? Before 40,000 years old. It is more effective way of passing information. Why? Because a verbal communication can be effective or non-effective, but this is effective. Next, media used for visual communication. First is graph, diagrams, map, charts, GIF, books, graphic design, etc. All these media used in visual communication. You can see graph is present here, diagram is present here, chart is present here. Thus, we can use multiple types of media. Next is visual communication. Example of visual communication. In symbol used in traffic light are an important visual aid to convey a message. This picture is also used to convey a message. In this picture, red light means stop, yellow light means wait, green light means go. Thus, this image is an example of visual communication. Why? Because this picture giving us information. Next, point consider while preparing a presentation. These points we should remind in mind when we are preparing a presentation. First, content should be suitable. Content should be according to our presentation. Next, font should be appropriate. In presentation, we should use a proper size of font. Content should be in a logical hierarchy. We should keep in mind that our content should be in a proper hierarchical form. Content should be simple and easy to understandable by user. Highlight important information. Don't use multiple graph when we are using combined graph, because it is only wastage of memory and loss of interest of user. Select appropriate visual device. After preparing a presentation, we need to show data. For that, we need a device. We should select visual device according to our requirement. Thank you, students, for watching this video.